Yes, now we can discuss about very good thing, that is technology business videos. Which technology business videos, business ideas are good, and all these things in a small way we can discuss. That is mobile app developer. Mobile applications are more popular than ever. My name is Ganesh. My YouTube channel name is See Your Needs. Now we are discussing about technology business ideas. In that, mobile app developer. Mobile app applications are more popular than ever, and the people are willing to pay good money for ways to manage their lives from their smartphones. If you have a great idea and know how to do coding, and you can run with it and create your app yourself. If you just have an idea, there are plenty of software developers looking to collaborate with people on app creation. So mobile apps are also beneficial to some people. Some people, not all people. Suppose if you are having a e-commerce website is there, so you can develop one mobile app. You can share that mobile app freely to all your customers. Through mobile app, they can book in online through that app regarding your e-commerce website. That is one example and best example. And the second one is suppose you are having a very good supermarket is there. That supermarket already in center it will be there. All will concern men and women will come and they will purchase it. Certain people in far distance they cannot come. That time you for supermarket also, if you are having a mobile app, they let them download freely your app. Your means that is supermarket app. By that they can get they can book in online about what are the available things in supermarkets. That is vegetables and grains and everything you can book it, and by that booking you can get safely your products to your home. But certain delivery charges they will charge, even though it is a good opportunity to you to get a mobile app. And what not only in business side, in mechanical showrooms also, that is Hero Honda especially, and so many are there. Those are also maintaining an app. By that, their customers will click that app, and they will say that problem name, contact number, and email ID, and mobile number, and as well as what is the problem, basic problem in simple lines, basic problem, and where is the location. Then they will come to your location and they bring back your vehicle, and they will do the service and get back to you. Likewise, also it is going on very well in metropolitan cities. So mobile apps will be useful for business and services also in a good way, but utilize it in a proper way. Don't misuse the software. Software you should use in like a software only. And another opportunity for mobile apps is not only for business side. Suppose you are a good lecturer or suppose you are a good master in high school, 10th class master in high school. Suppose you know very well, since 20 years you have been giving so many tuitions to the students. That time you can also develop an app. That app can be shared to your students and others also, irrespective of the school and students. That app can you can float it into your by Google Play Store is there, and if you book in that Google Play Store also, you can book your app, mathematical app, and once if it is registered, if anyone is interested in Play Store, in mobile Play Store, they can register, they can get your app, and they can know the views. By that also, in that app also, very good video ads will come. By that ads also, you can earn a lot income. So likewise, it is a very good service and business also. So if suppose if you are a mathematics master, you can do likewise. Suppose if you are a chemical engineer, all your chemical experiences you can share in app. By that also you can earn very good income by ads. and all these in apps, and as well as that app you can run in Google Google also. So likewise, download the app and run it. Likewise, you can do it also. So mobile apps will be useful for not only for business but for service engineers. Not only in one thing, that is electronics, mechanical, and so many are there. Electronics, mechanical, and civil constructions also. Construction people also and realtors also, they can develop a good apps for their customers. What are the new connections are going on in different locations and their houses, what are the houses and which size it is there, and what is at present cost is going on. All these things you can display in that. By that also, that app will give a clear idea, and they will maintain very good contact numbers and email addresses. By that also you can contact them and you can book a good flat also. Good flat or good independent house, whatever it may be, it is according to your amicability and capability, you can do it. So that is the news. So mobile apps are nowadays is the world of now, it is the trend of apps now at present. In Android, apps are so much going very well now, but in future so many applications will come and the apps will be increased, and definitely the prosperity will be shared to all of the most of the areas, in almost all areas. One example I will say that I am staying in above nearer to Nagaram, Bandlagoda. That time, in olden days, in 2 to 3 years back, no one is coming for rental purpose also. But by the communication of housing.com and all these things, rental details and which is the location and which is photos are also coming in by website. By that, everyone is seeing that website and they are seeing their own home, and by selecting the home and they are contacting and getting rental opportunities are also increasing to the house owners. By that, so many effects has come. So many others are also constructing different buildings nearer to their location and all these things, and extensively increasing housing constructions also. This is the prosperity of web services and web technologies and apps also. So it is a good prosperity to the nation and to the people also. Wishing you all the best.